who personally awarded the seal of legitimacy to DXN Philippines last June 20, 2024 at the DTI office. Attorney Cheryl G. Carbonell, Officer in Charge Director, Consumer Affairs and Advocacy Bureau. Perpetua Marlena C. Reyes Lim, Officer in Charge, Assistant Director. We would also like to call on stage the officers from the Direct Selling Association of the Philippines, DSAP, who also played an important role in achieving the seal of legitimacy from DTI. Ms. Marie Bailosis, DSAP Administrator. Ms. Saline Cuen, DSAP External Affairs Committee Head. To complete the individuals on stage are the key officers from the DXN Philippines Management Team. IT Manager, Mr. Randy Bunyi. Warehouse Manager, Mr. Mel Moya. Finance Manager, Ms. Jocelyn Palatino. Operations Manager, Ms. Raquel Vitormina. Sales and Training Manager, Ms. Julie